Hey, most welcome here. So I'm going to quickly show you what exactly is Charify. Charify, basically a project led by me, Ronnie Atwaire, and George Samaganda and Edward Kawogoza, students at Makerere University. So this is how Charify works. Charify comes from the word charity, with the F standing for finance, basically a crowdfunding solution for charities in Uganda. So this is a flat application that we've created. This is an emulator to help me actually emulate this and then be able to present what exactly happens. So this is still under maintenance and still under heavy production. We're still trying to build new features, so there are alternatives. You could log in, sign up, or choose to go incognito. For this particular video, I'm going to go incognito so that we don't waste time, but you could log in and sign up using Firebase. So if I go to incognito, basically here you're just going there anonymously, and that means you can be able to donate to charities, to be able to participate in campaigns without actually being able to create one. Basically it's about donations. So if you come through here, you see you'll be presented 6 cards. These cards basically have things that we think are currently very important in our donation, in our crowdfunding endeavors. So if you click here, you'd see that's education. Under education, you could choose any that you'd want to suggest. That means these companies or these this listing how you find here is basically approved by admin, that actually is legit companies, not to have a lot of people coming up with their own fraud campaigns and or fraud companies. So we currently having only the admin to be able to approve this. So when you click there, you're able to actually donate. So what happens is the donate is we are calling REST API. We did that using Python Flask, and then it is hosted on Render platform as a service. And then the payment gateway that we are using is basically Flutterwave for this particular type use case, but we are planning to change to Momo, MTN Momo, so that we hit the MTN API directly, so that we actually avoid these charges that are actually implemented by Flutterwave. So here I'm just going to simulate quickly. If you put in your email addresses, make sure to put in the correct email addresses. For example, if you want to donate to the other particular thing, you can just say, I'm just going to simulate. This may not be correct, but it just simulates an email address. So I could just say Ronnie Atwaire, then phone number. I could just put anything. 6 yes. Then maybe I could be donating to Fundibot, designed to education. And then I will just click pay, and when you click pay, basically now the pay button automatically now redirects to Flutterwave. So Flutterwave has a sandbox, because we're still in the test mode. It has a sandbox for these payments that actually are still not in production. As you can see, the defaults are come through here. When you say pay UGX to continue, then you click on proceed. Since we're still under test environment, the default one is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Basically this is a push notification, that's an SMS notification to your phone to actually validate that you're actually doing this payment. So here a push notification would come through for you to put in your PIN, and then that's it. You'll be redirected back to our webhook, basically, in case you're done with the payment. That's it basically with the payment. Just wanted to simulate that. Then we also implemented Google Maps. Basically Google Maps to show just these locations, these approved centers where they actually are. For example, health centers, maybe could be Uganda blood transfusion something hospital from Mbarara. Then you could just look through, maybe this is for Ginger. You could look at where exactly is actually this place located, and the number just down here, and we are using the Google Maps API to achieve this. So if you look through other cards, basically the same things. And here under share food, it's also the same thing. Then if you look at this, it's also the same thing, clothing centers. And here we have other charities that could be coming through, maybe the Karimajong, what, and then you also have the seniors page. Yeah, prettily that's it for our application. Here we have close up. You can just click here to go back to the welcome screen. Then we have here main draw. A main draw has actually all these routes, but main draw it's just like a quick way of maybe maneuvering through. Also another way, we have the create campaign. We are coming up with this. This is a feature still under maintenance, as you could see. This is just a placeholder screen that we placed there. Even here you could see. And then education centers will just automatically take you to where we are. Then clothing centers, the same thing. The team is basically the three of us, as you could see. Then about is also still under progress. So yeah, prettily that's it basically for our application. You could just return to the main screen, then you could simulate maybe logging in. You can create an account, or alternatively you can sign up. That's it for Charify. See you as you see our product launch. Bye bye.